Vietnam, no compatible servers found, connection error, failed to join PC. Nashter. 1. Restart Steam in your PC, completely close Hell Let Loose. Exit Steam from the system tray, restart PC. Open Steam again. Launch Hell Let Loose. Number 2. Reset server browser filters. Open the server browser, clear all filters, select all regions. Remove ping and player count restrictions. Refresh the server list. Try joining multiple servers. Tier 3. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Hell Let Loose. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. Restart Steam. 4. Disable VPN and proxy. Turn off any VPN. Open Windows Settings. Go to Network and Internet, Proxy. Disable any manual proxy. Restart Steam. Try connecting again. 5. Restart your router. Close Hell Let Loose. Restart your router. Wait around 30 seconds. Reconnect your PC. Launch the game again. Number 6. Allow the game through Firewall. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Select Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Steam is allowed. Make sure Hell Let Loose is allowed. Enable both private and public networks. Or 7. Reset network settings. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one: ipconfig /DNS, ipconfig /release, ipconfig /renew, netsh winsock reset, restart your PC. Tesher 8. Change DNS, open Windows settings. Go to Network and Internet. Open your active network connection. Change the DNS settings. Try 8.8.8, 8.84.4, save the changes and reconnect. 9. Clear Steam download cache. Open Steam. Go to Settings, Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache. Sign back into Steam if required. Launch Hell Let Loose again. Tubber 10. Try different servers. Refresh the server browser. Try servers from different regions. Try several different servers. If only one server fails, that server may be unavailable. If every server fails, restart Steam and your network connection again.